You can find this printable sewing pattern in the description. This is the video only for top tulle skirt. You can find another video for bottom skirt. You will need 5.6 feet of tulle fabric, also a secret zipper, and about 20 feet of decorative string to hide seams. Cut and glue pattern pieces. Cut 10 pieces. Add seam allowance. I suggest 1 centimeter. Cut 10 pieces. Don't add seam allowance to this detail. Finish the edge of the spiral detail. I choose baby lock seam. You can also leave this edge raw, or fold and sew this edge. Also finish the bottom of the skirt details. Iron details before sewing. Sew spiral between the panels of the skirt. Start lining all details from the bottom of the skirt. You don't need to fit it perfectly. The spiral part is made longer to make this fitting process easier. Later you will cut extra fabric from the top. Sew pattern into 2 blocks, block of 6 and block of 4. Sew non-elastic string to hide the seam. Sew it on a side of the skirt. There is a video for this skirt without this white string decor. Iron the seam. Flatten this white string and sew extra seam from good side of the skirt. Cut out extra length from spiral detail. Here I decided that it would look better if I had white string on one edge of the split. Mark the beginning of the split, measure it to your figure. Sew both blocks together, the top of the split. Cut out waist. Iron middle folding line. Measure this detail to your waist before sewing. Here I marked where my waist should be. Sew the waist detail to skirt. You may need to hold the fabric. Sew waist seam. Hide this seam under decorative string. Flatten this white string and sew extra seam on top. I added extra string on top. Too late. In the process, I noticed that it would be better to sew this string on top of the waist detail, so for the next time I think it would be a better choice. Fold and sew the edges of the secret zipper. It's to make it less visible under see-through fabric. I sew sew the zipper straight on the edge from the good side of the fabric. It's a design choice suitable only for see-through designs. Sew the space under the zipper. I sew it by hand. I also left the split here under the zipper. Secure the end of the zipper. Tutorial for underskirt is in another video. Good luck on your project.